Hello again. Today we're taking a walk up to the summit of Dùn Coillich as part of a circular route that goes on to give some great views of Schihallian. Then we head back alongside the Altmoor River to our start point. I'll bring up the map and show you where we're at and the route we're taking. We're starting here at a car park off the B846 road close to Glengollandy. We head along past Dùn Biag before turning to head up a steep valley between the two peaks of Dùn Coillich. At the top we'll head back on ourselves to reach the summit at a height of 572 metres. Then we'll retrace our steps back to trek around the side of the mountain to join Altmoor River, which we'll follow pretty much all the way back to the car park. This walk is a total of 7 kilometres with a 414 metre ascent. The car park is easily missed from the road, so look for these two green signs, and then across the cattle grid you'll find a spacious car park. There is a tiny toilet here, but it was locked when we visited. There's also an information board which actually had some maps which you could take. I don't see that very often these days. So from this board we'll start walking. We're beginning by following the green, white and red painted sticks, nothing to do with Italy. You'll find the path is well marked with sticks along the way, so let's get going.